Let's vlog, na? Oh, I thought that is plastic. You know, in village, we used to cover with plastic, na? I thought that one. Hi everyone, welcome back again. It's a very fresh evening. I'm here again with Miss Moy. Miss Moy. And we are going out to the evening market. So after so long, today heavy rain come. It's heavy rain, right?
Yeah, it's heavy.
Yeah, it's heavy. A lot, yeah. So we are so happy after how many months? I think no rain for so many months.
Yeah.
Last week means little rain, but that is not like a rain.
Yeah.
So let's say today is the first time raining here in Noida. Even Delhi also same.
No, I think it's not raining from Delhi.
Oh really? Yeah. Oh, is it?
I asked
Oh.
my mom. She said
So
it's not raining.
today heavy rain in Noida, so we are so happy and so fresh. Even all the houses and the tree and all, see, even the road also. So fresh, so clean. We are so happy. So now we are on our way to the market. We will catch the auto from there. I think we can get there also. Auto is coming.
What is the name of the market?
They used to know if we say Saturday market. Oh yeah, what happened? Saturday market.
हाँ?
Saturday market. और रामपुर के सामने में है ना, गोल चक्कर का आगे में.
कितना?
80 rupees में.
50 है, 50 rupees. हाँ, okay. No. We can. नहीं. 50 है.
काटो तो.
जाएगा 50 के लिए?
60 कर ले.
नहीं.
काटो.
Let's use 60.
No, 50 rupees. It's okay to go by 50.
काटो तो 60 कर ले.
नहीं 50 है. नहीं.
काटो.
50 है ना, 50.
कर पे चक्र होगी.
गोल चक्कर पे वो आगे मार्केट है ना, रामपुर का.
तो रामपुर गोल चक्कर बता सकता हूँ आपको. वहाँ से टर्न करके वापसी लिया.
मार्केट साइड में छोड़ो, ठीक है?
पल्ली साइड छोड़ दूँ.
हाँ ठीक है. Oh, got it. It's so nice. After rain, auto rain, huh? Even mine also is like that. So meet you all in the market. Bye. Dress line. After that, when we come down, let's buy the vegetable or fruit and let's go. Okay.
How about the food price here?
Let's come inside here.
Same like Dubai.
Yeah, it's much better here. Oh yeah, maybe the price is same, but it's very fresh. Okay, fresh. See, all these things are also very fresh. Is it? Oh, corn. Now we reach the market, but look at the road. Because of rain, everything messed up. Oh, just now started because of rain. I think it's more late again today.
Yeah.
Uh,
Oh, I want to buy phone.
Then you can buy.
Yeah. Later.
Who knows? Maybe we may not reach here again.
Already?
Oh, okay.
You can get from there also.
Oh, see, water. Oh, it's problem for them.
Yeah.
Watermelon. Saturday market. This market is open only in the evening. Saturday evening. All the vegetables are also very fresh. melon. Everyone is busy opening their their vegetables. This down part means all vegetables. Upside means dress. Look at them. Look at them.
I think we can a bit early.
Yeah, a bit early. Because of rain, they are more late again today. If not, it's time to open now. Still, maybe. Oh my God! Sorry. Oh, still empty. Let's go up till the end and come down again. They're still not yet open, so let's eat ice cream. Choco bar, choco bar. Hello. Choco bar. Eh? हाँ.
कितना
20 वाली. दो दे दो. Yeah, right. Moite. Let's eat choco bar. Not bad. I used to eat only choco bar. Why? 20? 20 का नहीं है. 20 का दे दो. 20 का दे दो. I like choco bar. I used to eat only choco bar. So we will eat ice cream and wait for them to open all the dress.
Ready? It's too funny. That my brother's son, he doesn't like kind of this one. Only like this type.
Expensive.
Yeah.
Expensive one. we used to buy here this place.
Oh, see.
उसका मार्क्स खराब हो गया. एक्स्ट्रा नहीं है.
नहीं है, yeah.
You have to buy it again.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is choco bar. I asked choco bar, but he gave another. Huh? Oh no, I cannot eat two. You eat choco bar also. Let's eat.
Let's see. This is Kizan Market. Kizan Market.
Still they are raining.
Yeah.
We can't wait anymore. So we are done shopping for the dress. Now we are coming to this vegetable station. You buy vegetables?
No.
Oh, I'll buy only. Yeah. So now we will buy fruits and we will be heading back home. I'll buy apple and grapes. I think I can. Oh. My friends, you want to buy corn? Oh, so fresh. There is no bread at all more there. So this kind of melon. किलो में कितना है?
100 का 3 किलो.
What melon is this? नाम क्या है ये वाला melon का नाम?
ये है खरबूजा.
Oh, I never taste this one. The smell is so good.
ये लो. This is the corn, sweet corn. हाँ जी. हाँ.
How much kilo you will buy?
This is 2 kilo.
Oh, but I'll buy apple here, okay? भैया एप्पल किलो में कितना है?
100 रुपए किलो। 120 रुपए का
नहीं।
लीची वाला चलो।
कितना है किलो में? हाँ किलो में कितना है?
150।
Oh, 150. But this is too small. Let's go and buy apple from here. Apple. अरे एप्पल किलो में कितना है?
140।
अयो this
ये 100 है, 140।
How about this?
80 rupees 1 kg।
I bought 70 from Reliance last time.
Really?
Yeah.
How about watermelon? किलो में कितना?
20 rupees 1 kg।
But this is okay. 20 is okay, right?
So we are going this way?
I don't know. We can go and see. But the apple is too small.
If we are not going this way, I will buy from here. But we are going this way.
Ayo, what is it?
How about this one?
ये 170।
15.
Oh, this is good. 15 rupees 1 kilo. So cool. Everyone is busy now. Some are buying, some are selling. Oh. Take it now, one. 15 is very good. Yeah. Look at this. Look at all this mango. Let's see. Look at the road is so fresh. All the mango sellers are here. It's so good. Mango. Let's go home. There is no auto. Let's go down a little bit so that auto will come.
Let's go from the side.
Oh no, if we go inside, we will not get the auto also. There is one auto is coming. At Miss Moite. Watermelon. Carrying watermelon. Now we have reached our place. Looks so fresh. I think I don't need. You need to go.
I will buy Mickey.
Ah, Maggie. I think I don't need to buy anything. Oh, look at my bag also full. The weather is good, so not much tired. Right? Oh, so fresh.
How about evening walk? Do you still want to go out?
I think no need. Because tomorrow I'll go again, so
Oh, yeah.
I think I'll be so tired.
Oh.
Today let's stop from here.
Yeah.
Let's go again by next week. So we already reached home.
What is the market that Manirka? Are you going Manirka?
Yeah. So what happened? Anything else? Oh,
Yeah, there is. I want one thing that biscuit. I don't know.
Raskit.
Last time you bought for
Raskin.
me, Raskin. Sweet, but it's very hard.
Yeah.
Oh,
Oh, so you want that one?
yeah, I want that one.
Okay, I'll bring. So yeah, let's go home.
Bye bye.
Bye. Thanks for watching, everyone. Oh, your apple.
Give me my apple.
Take it. So
Thank you.
yeah, bye. See you. Good night. Okay. Now I am in the lift. My friend also left. So thanks for watching, everyone. I reach home. We'll see you all again in the next video. Bye.